HiFi Collective here. Sorry about the mess, very busy day. We have just received delivery of the Lundahl housing. So these are rather beautifully crafted steel, so they are magnetic, so they'll add a bit of shielding for your transformer. As you can see, you've got shiny black on black, nice logo. You can get these in white, but we've just got the black ones in for the time being. This will deal with one transformer. So they do two sizes. This one is called the LL1638 housing. It's referred to as a small to medium. So that is effectively any transformers that weigh in about 135. The 1620, which is this one, is the bigger one. So transformers coming in at 2.5 keys. This is how it comes. So you get this, and a bag. So that is just for one transformer. Okay, so that's how that comes. So I've just opened up one. Now you get a bag of screws. Here's some screws. Now they're all Torx screw fittings like that. So just make sure you've got the right kind of size. So here is an example of a transformer that will fit the LL1638. This one is a headphone transformer. We just received a delivery. So this is how it's done. So you've got one half there. So you pop that in, and then you get the bigger screws here and here. I've got the right bit, but I haven't got the actual holder, but it doesn't matter. It's going to show the point. So you've got one half like this. Pop it, line it up with the hole there, and just screw it in. Obviously you need to do it tight. I've done it as tight as I can with my hand, and that one there. So the transformer's held in place. Like so. That's not going in wrong, is it? There we go. So that's one half done, and then you've got the other half, which is like that. Goes over the top. Two big screws. So the idea is you wire it, do all the connections before you put the transformer in. Like that. You can see how that's gone in. So you can see here, so you'd have the wires connected up, and then you'd feed through the hole. So this is how it sits on the chassis. There's a hole there, wires come through there. And then you've got the side pieces, which snugly slide over the top, and then screws like that. Like this. Turn it over, and then the other side slides over the top, like that. So half the issue with these, with the Lundahl transformers, is that the footprint they take when you screw it, the transformer straight to the actual chassis, is quite wide. Using these, the transformers are standing up, which is great. So you can get more on the chassis. So they're giving you some extra screws, which is very kind. So, the extra screws are probably, so when you put to the chassis, it's going to go like that. The wires are coming out like that. Pop it through, hole in the chassis, wires go through the hole in the chassis. Pop it down like that, you come from underneath, and then you've got these screws. These don't fit. So you're gonna have to provide your own screws for this here. And they look like M4s to me. So you're away. Now these retail at €74 plus VAT, taxes, whatever. So that's 64 sterling, UK pounds. So they're quite expensive, but they look the part, they look pretty cool. There you go. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.